Guys, this is Danish from jobskillshare.org. First of all, I'm wearing Miami hat to support the people in the Miami, the whole Florida people over there. Just be safe and hope everything is great for you guys. Everything comes back to normal as what's going on in Texas and Florida and other places. So I just pray that everybody is safe and everything is good. So today I am going to continue our testimonials. So I'm going to share 2 testimonials today. So if you go to jobskillshare.org, you may not see the screen clearly. That's why I am going to talk a lot in this, so you know, and you will have this link with you. So this blog is also a latest blog, and I clearly see that you will not see this. So that's why I just concentrate on what I'm going to basically say, and I'm going to say it word by word. This blog is a recent blog by Matt, and I'm not going to spell the last name. It's by Matt. His headline is, I am an experienced IT support analyst with bachelor's degree. So this person he's already working in IT and he is experienced, and also he got a bachelor's degree with this. So his name, hello, my name is Matt. I am an experienced IT support analyst with bachelor's degree and A+ certification and Network Plus certification. So he got 2 certification, A+ and Network Plus. Who is interested in pursuing a career in IT security. So his goal is set. He knows what he wants. He is going towards the security field. Due to the nature of my job, sometimes it is necessary to provide on-call support, which we all do, for the organization you work for. And you work with some technologies but would like to get experience working on additional technologies as well. So basically he's looking for something more, something different, but would like to get experience. When you try and balance a busy job with home life, with a wife, and trying to start a family, it is difficult to continue. We all agree with that. Continue one's education, especially when you're on time call. You're on an on-time call support. He's right. You know, when people work in this environment, and if you are you have this type of job where you are going to be on call, and this is a place where they get heavy calls, then you know that's kind of like part of your life, and it's going to be hard. That's what he's explaining right here. So I recently ran across jobskillshare.org, and I'm looking forward to this opportunity to learn additional skills outside of my realm, and that I currently provide support so that I can advance my education while studying from home and continue to pursue my career goals as an IT security professional. I highly recommend using jobskillshare.org to anyone who is looking to advance their IT education and trying to balance work life and personal life. To JobskillShare, thank you for all that you put together in this website. What a great idea. I love that you are focused on education, helping the community of people, and want to better themselves and the community as a whole. Matt, thank you so much, Matt, for this whole last section, and great information that you have provided us, because a lot of people don't know that this platform is not just for entry-level IT guys who wants to just start an IT career, or we help them with every single step, but this is also for people who are actually working in an environment where they're experienced, but they now want to try something different, because we probably may give you a little bit more than what you already know. So that's kind of like what we do as an IT professional. When you work somewhere, you become an expert in one area, but there are so many other areas that other people are becoming an experts, and that's what we do. You know, we try to ask people, come and share that with us, so then they can do similar things. Like, you know, your experience, some people like you will be experienced, and they can come and join, share information, or learn information. So that's a great blog. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Jumping on to the second one. It is, okay, this blog is by Charles K. Mullings. I was able to pronounce that easily. It is my passion to mess with computers or even networks. We all, anyone that works in IT, if it's not your passion to work with computers, working with people, trying to fix problems, then I say that in one of my blogs, then don't do this job. That's not going to be easy for you. You're not going to like it. You gotta have passion. You gotta have love for technology and working with other people. That's what will make this job easy, or maybe really hard if you don't do that. My name is Charles K. Mulling. I am from New. Sorry for messing up the last. I just didn't know what to say with that. I think that's your initials. So I am from New Orleans, LA. 46 years old. I started messing with computers since I was 12. Great. All started with the Commodore VIC 20, I don't even know what that is. I mean, I'm 29 years old and I don't know what that is. So maybe it's something really old. I can remember writing code on it and also playing video games on it. Ever since then, I was hooked. Then in 1996, around that time, built my first computer was AMD K6233 MHz, CPU, 128 MB RAM, and 8 GB hard drive, and 3.5 floppy drive. Now I do remember floppy drive and 128 RAM. That was my first PC computer when I bought it for gaming. I did not buy a computer for work or anything. I told my mom and dad, like, hey, I need a Pentium 2 computer because my cousin got it. I need to get it too. That's how I got into computers. So basically he's going ahead and say 2 MB PCI, and he got some great details right here. I'm so happy God gave me this skill. It is my passion to mess with computers or even networks. I believe everyone that has this passion should come to jobskillshare.org, okay, and learn everything they can, even if it's not IT. I believe that jobskillshare.org has a great idea to help others, and he's making money. At the same time, I will support this site as much as I can. I thank you for helping me move forward with my career. This is going to boost my resume so much. My goals are to be network admin and system admin. Well, this is the end of my blog. Okay, thank you so much, Charles. You got some great comments and things like that I want to share with other people now. First, you mentioned you're 46 years old. This is another confidence building blog for people who are above that teenage, or maybe where people are finishing the college, where they have more time and more to be more aggressive. But you are showing this right here that you are 46 years old, that you have passion for IT, and you're still going through this whole education that we are providing, because we know that it's going to help you. It doesn't matter what your age is, it's going to help you, because we have blogs from people, well, I'm share that later on, that they are above 50 and they landed a job because of jobskillshare.org, and I can proudly say that. So one thing about age, we covered that. Another thing, you mentioned that right here, that how things change. You've been working on old stuff, and now things are so changed, and you're basically saying that this is your passion. So you're not giving up that. You're just building that previous passion that you had, and now you're building it on something new that we are providing you. And you're saying that we're making money. Of course, we need money, which you are supporting, which is great that you build this positive comment, because a lot of people have this thing in their mind that why are we investing money in this? This is not totally free platform. Of course, there are labs that we need to pay the partners, that we need to make sure that somebody is available to you to create these labs. We need to make sure all these accounts are created. We need to make sure all these servers are up and running. We need to make sure all these developers need to be done. So right now with this, why we do need money is that now what we're bringing to you guys and the whole platform and the members is something crazy that you will not believe how things are going to play in future, in few months. We're rebuilding this whole platform. So we have already built the house for you guys now. Now we're fixing all the pipes, all the electricity, and all that little things in the site. We're fixing that for you. So then everything is automated, number one, so that your learning experience is so good. When you buy a lab, boom, you got the lab. When you go to the course, you apply for training, the live training, all that automation will happen for you. So we're working on that heavily right now. But not only that, I promise my members that I am not into just showing a cool site. I'm into providing an applications where people can actually use that for their benefit. So what I'm talking about is actually building a resume type of templates, e-profiles, and things that you can show. You can learn from us, but you can show and save your time by building all these resume automatically in our site, by showing this e-profile, by showing your data to other people. This is what helped people land a job in this system without even having too much. We just kind of right now shared all the skills, and we taught you how to work it out and all that kind of stuff in your resume. But now we're going to actually make it happen for you without even doing that. So wait for that. Do support us. Do please come and become a member. Because when you become a member, think of that as a donation to this site. And this kind of helps overall people. Free members and plus members, it doesn't matter. We are in to help everybody together. It is helping us at the same time. We're helping you at the same time. Thank you for watching this blog, this testimonial video, and I will be making more. I just want to tell people that do not give up. Things are going to get better for you if you keep on trying. Thank you.